Hi, I'm Colin Chipley, and Dennis Liu and I are co-presidents of Aviation Club. Aviation has a long history on Colgate's campus, but in its current form, Aviation Club has existed for 3 semesters. During these 3 semesters, we have run Discovery Flights, which are 30-minute flights with a certified flight instructor, free of charge, where a student can fly, take off, or land an airplane. However, we want to do more, but there are limitations. The main limitation preventing Colgate students from taking advantage of these opportunities is financial limitations, and we want to surpass that main limitation. How do we know there's interest in our club? Well, in the first semester that we ran Discovery Flights, there were 120 applicants for 20 spots. That is a huge number, and it means that there's a large body of interest on Colgate's campus to take advantage of these opportunities. So how are we going to meet this interest? Well, first of all, we want to acquire RC airplanes so that students can train with us to learn how to fly them, and then they can check out these airplanes from Aviation Club and fly them anywhere on campus. Second, we want to obtain a flight simulator whereby students who are interested in learning the instrumentation or who are obtaining their private pilot's license can become more familiar with real flight experience. And lastly, and our ultimate goal, is to help fund students who have a passion for aviation and want to obtain their private pilot's license. So that's our mission, that's our goal. We hope you're on board. Aviation Club, come fly with us.